I go to the office every morning. I go to the office every morning. I buy fresh vegetables at the supermarket. I buy fresh vegetables at the supermarket. I drink water after I wake up. I drink water after I wake up. I cook food in the kitchen. I cook food in the kitchen. I clean my room on Sunday. I clean my room on Sunday. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I call my friend in the evening. I call my friend in the evening. I read a book before sleep. I read a book before sleep. I wash my clothes today. I wash my clothes today. I make tea in the morning. I make tea in the morning. I go to the market with my mother. I go to the market with my mother. I watch TV after dinner. I watch TV after dinner. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a bath in the evening. I take a bath in the evening. I go for a walk in the park. I go for a walk in the park. I study English every day. I study English every day. I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen. I drink milk before bed. I drink milk before bed. I open the door for my guest. I open the door for my guest. I sleep early at night. I sleep early at night.